Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, I'm going to be talking about the proposed Rent and Mortgage Cancellation Act. I'm going to go over all of the basics of this bill. I'm going to show you how much it'll possibly cost, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts on the bill. And just as a quick reminder, if you are new here, or if you've seen some of my videos in the past and aren't subscribed already, go down there, hit the subscribe button with the little alert bell. It's free and you won't miss any of my future videos. Okay, so if this Rent and Mortgage Cancellation Act is approved, it would call for the cancellation of all rent and mortgage payments up to a year or as long as this pandemic lasts. So that would basically mean there's full forgiveness on rent payments and mortgage payments, and this bill would be retroactive. So if it does get passed in, say, a couple months, it would be retroactive to March of 2020. So the payments would actually have started in March, and you would not have any responsibility for your rent or mortgage payments starting from March 2020 on. Now, this would include no accumulation of debt for renters or homeowners, and it also would not negatively affect your credit score. The Rent and Mortgage Cancellation Act would also give landlords and mortgage companies money from the Department of Housing and Urban Development. So that's how all of this is actually going to be paid for. So say you're a landlord and this act became a thing, your tenants wouldn't be paying you money. It would actually be the Department of Housing and Urban Development to help you sustain your property. And this bill would also create the optional fund to purchase and finance rental properties so there's more affordable housing on the market. And just to reiterate, under this proposed bill, it would only include your primary residence. So no vacation rentals, no other properties you own that you might rent out, just your primary residence would be covered. All right, so how much would this proposed Rent and Mortgage Cancellation Act actually cost? Luckily, another great YouTuber did this calculation for us. His name is Naam. I'll put his video link below, but I'll put a screenshot up on the screen right now of his estimated calculation. Now, even he says this is just an estimate. Nobody actually knows how much it would cost. So there's $24.5 trillion of debt that the United States has. And this $2 trillion would be equal to 8% of our national debt. So this brings me to my thoughts on this proposed act. I don't think it's a good idea, and I don't even know if it would be economically feasible to do this. If you think about it, paying that much money to individuals over an entire year would be crazy. I would rather see money be given by the government to small businesses, to essential businesses that need to employ people. As you guys know, the unemployment rate is crazy right now. So I'd like to see the money be given to employers to actually be able to employ more people and have the money come into individuals that way, rather than just giving checks to people month in and month out. Again, I don't think that this bill will actually pass because of the sheer money that would go into this bill. There are other stimulus package deals already being proposed, and I'm sure there will be some other stimulus package, but I don't think it will include this proposition. I want you guys to let me know below what you guys think. Be sure to comment. Let me know if you think this is feasible, and let me know if you think this will actually pass. If you guys found this video to be helpful, go down, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more content. I'll put 2 videos up on the screen that you'll enjoy. Have a great one.